The Learn to Camp program is offered at many national parks and national historic sites throughout Canada. In collaboration with MEC, alongside many community partners, this program brings to life the essence of what makes our land and parks so spectacular. All the basics of camping are covered in an inclusive, safe, and fun way, while leaving plenty of time for lots of exploring, playing, and connecting around the campfire.
It's a chance for them to learn in a safe environment how to pitch a tent, how to cook in the outdoors, how to enjoy what nature has to offer to them.
Camping is important because camping brings you back to Mother Earth.
It's a great time to sort of get outside and unplug.
It's a bonding experience and memories that will last a lifetime.
Very, very wonderful, amazing, incredible.
We had so much fun here.
Making friends, right?
They already asked me to come again.
We learn a lot about camping.
الموزيك النار الجمعة كلياتنا.
Anyway, yeah, that's the best thing I ever tried. Actually, yeah, me too. I like it so much.
By the end of the weekend, you can see people's confidence building, their excitement.
I had one little guy come up to me this morning, might have been 5 years old. He looked up at me and said, "Can I stay for another 3 days?"
While the aim of Learn to Camp is to provide the opportunity to learn the fundamentals, you'll leave captivated by these incredible places, history, and stories of this land and all the people who call it home. For your chance to experience Learn to Camp, come join us this summer. We'll have the s'mores waiting.